14 initial public offerings this week. Oh yes, the optimism about IPOs is back. The I in IPO stands for initial. For investors, folks, this is the starting point. You know so little about a company. The IPO is by its very nature speculative. This is the beginning of a company's track record. And now look, IPOs, they're buzzy, they're exclusive, they are the riskiest investment a regular investor can make. Every investor considering an IPO should read the lists of risks in the company's security filing. By law, the company executives have to tell you what could go wrong. I mean, look at the King Digital risk list. 24 pages. As the maker of Candy Crush, company says this: the growth and expansion of our business and headcount create significant challenges for our management and operational resources. We cannot assure you that this level of significant growth will be sustainable in the future. If that's not clear enough, how about this blunt declaration? We may not maintain profitability in the future. Oh yeah, and it goes on to say, hey, the people who play our games are pretty fickle. We're not quite sure what they're gonna like next time around, and there's a lot of other people who could be providing better games than us. That's right. Take Grubhub. It valued itself at $1.72 billion yesterday. It lists 9 risk factors to its business and then wrote, quote, we may not be able to successfully address these risks and difficulties, which could harm our business and results of operations. Or what about Box, the cloud storage company that announced its IPO yesterday? Box says, quote, we have a history of cumulative losses and we do not expect to be profitable for the foreseeable future. Bottom line, it may be a good thing that these offerings are really only shopped to high net worth individuals and managed funds. And if you do try to buy into an IPO through a brokerage or when it starts to trade, make sure to click to the risk section of its filing first. You may be surprised what you see. Sometimes hype and hope means a stock price goes up, and sometimes hype and hope doesn't pan out. Zynga, anyone?